You thought Nissan gave up on hot hatches? Think again. They just dropped a wide-body bomb at the Tokyo Auto Salon 2026, and it looks absolutely wicked. This is the Nissan Aura NISMO RS Concept, and it might just be the coolest hybrid we have ever seen. We have 3 minutes to break down why this city racer deserves to be built. Let's rip. First, just look at the stance. This isn't a sticker package. Nissan went full wide-body on this thing. The fenders are punched out by a massive 145 millimeters. That is nearly 6 inches wider than the standard car. It sits 20 millimeters lower to the ground, giving it a squat, aggressive bulldog stance that screams time attack. It's painted in this exclusive dark matte stealth gray that looks like it absorbs light. The aero is serious too. You've got a massive front splitter, functional side skirts, and a rear diffuser with those signature NISMO red accents. And the wheels? Those are legendary 18-inch NISMO LM GT4 alloys wrapped in sticky Michelin Pilot Sport 4 rubber. It looks like a mini GTR that hit the gym. Now, let's talk about the power, because this is where it gets weird and awesome. This uses Nissan's e-Power system. That means there's a 1.5-liter turbo engine under the hood, but it doesn't drive the wheels. It just acts as a generator to charge the batteries. The actual power comes from dual electric motors, one in the front and one in the back. The result? A combined output of roughly 335 horsepower and 387 pound-feet of torque. That is more power than a Toyota GR Corolla or a Civic Type R. And because it's electric drive, the torque is instant. It uses the NISMO-tuned e-Force all-wheel drive system to vector torque between all 4 wheels instantly. It's heavy, weighing around 3,300 pounds, but with that much instant torque and grip, this thing will rocket out of corners like it's on rails. They even upgraded the brakes to massive 4-piston calipers up front to stop this beast. So, the verdict. Nissan calls this a concept, but let's be real, it looks production ready. It's wide, it's fast, and it uses technology they already have in the X-Trail. If Nissan builds this and prices it right, the hot hatch market is in big trouble. If you want Nissan to build this wide-body monster, smash that like button. Let's make them hear us. Drop a comment below. Would you drive a hybrid hot hatch if it looked this good? Let's argue. And don't forget to subscribe to Car Rev 3. Catch you guys in the next one.